How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good, good. So your brother couldn't make it?
No, he's still in Ohio.
Okay, we not mad. We not mad.
That's my sister.
Oh, okay. Good job. I want to see you adjusting this mirror. That's so important. On the seatbelt. We're going to go around the area. We'll make a lot of rights, a lot of lefts. Whenever you're ready, put in drive.
Is that for me?
Yep. It's going to really teach you. And you're going to be better in the long run. Occasionally, I do those small little tricks and tips just to help you. Just take your time. I'm going to have you go around the block one time. Just go around your neighborhood. And, you know, I'll have you pull in some driveways and turn around. Just take your time. You see us driving through your neighborhood all the time.
Yeah.
You have me and the other instructor because your neighborhood is good because there are a lot of turns and you really got to, you know, make sure you got good speed control, you take your time, and you really have made good improvements. I'm driving another young man. He's 20. He's on his second drive. His sister, I think, is 21 or 22. So he went on the freeway today, did pretty good. We did a lot of parallel parking. He's a lot taller than you, so he's kind of scrunched up. You're a little bit smaller, but both of you two are kind of squeeze that brake, going slow. Take your time, take your time. Yeah. But I realize the importance of you guys getting ready to get out here and drive. You're in college. You're ready to go into your senior year?
Is that a record? No.
Junior year. I don't think he has a job, but still it's important. Hey, I want you to pull up next to this car in parallel park. So pull up next to it, squeeze your brake, slow us down, squeeze that brake. I want you to parallel park. Take your time. I'll turn on four ways, and yeah, just let them, they'll do their thing. You know, be patient. Yep, yep. And just go slow. Take your time, right? She side-eyed us.
Yeah.
Cut that wheel all the way to the right. Turn it all the way to the right. Going slow. Deeper. Now turn back all the way to the left. Turn, turn, turn. Yes. That's what I want. Keep going in. Let it roll in. You got to get close to the curb. All you got to do is just let it roll in. And stop 1 second. This is passing, but you can get in deeper and closer to the curb. Pull up next to this vehicle, back in slower, and cut that wheel all the way to the right. You're learning fine. You're doing great. I know what to do to prepare you for your test. Get closer to this vehicle. Turn that wheel. Turn. Yes. Go up more. Straighten up. One more turn to the left. Roll forward. Get the car straight and stop. Now, put us in reverse. When you're halfway past this vehicle, then cut your wheel all the way to the right. Turn it all the way to the right. Now back in deeper to the corner of the curb. Go in deeper, deeper. Now turn back all the way to, roll in, just roll in, roll in. Now cut it all the way to the left. Turn. See? Now that's what you need to work on. And stop. Put in park. That's not bad. This is much better.
Okay.
Do it again. Dun, dun, dun. You're going to work. And you're like, yeah, I'm learning, Mom. Okay? You're learning. And she wants you to do well. Turn back. Closer to this vehicle. Closer. Better. Yes. Now straighten up. Turn one full turn to the left. One full turn. Yes. Now roll forward a little bit. Now put this boy in reverse. Take your time. Roll back slow. Roll straight back. Cut it all the way to the right. Perfect. Deeper. Now turn back all the way to the left. Turn. See? That's what we need to work on. And bam. Put that boy in park. It's not bad. It's passing.
Now I can see the curve and like the
Oh, what you said. Okay, put it in drive. Let's go. We're driving. Let me turn on four ways. Okay, go up to the stop sign. Make a right turn. The more I can get you out here, the better you will do. Get us over to the right after you stop, look, check, make a right turn. Use that blinker. Build good habits. When it's clear, make your right. Keep your turn short. Don't turn wide. Turn out. Good. After you stop, make a right. Get the car a little bit more to the right, so when you make your right turn, you don't turn so wide. Yep.
Yeah, I came out here yesterday and I turned too wide.
Turn on right turn signal. Go up. Be patient. Be patient. Whenever it's clear, I'm not going to tell you. You got to judge distance. Don't pull out in front of a car. Make that turn. Or wait. You make the decision. Move up a little bit more so you can see. It was okay. So what did you do wrong?
I should have waited more.
You learned. You got to honk. They gave you a nasty comment. So I think in your road test, it would have been 50-50.
I might keep it straight.
You are going straight. So just judge distance more. You're learning. No one was harmed. They had time, but use it as a learning moment. Keep driving, girl. That doesn't make you. It's 50. You drive at 50. This is your 5th drive or 6th?
I think so. 5th or 6th.
5th? Okay. Get us over one lane to the left, please. And thank you. Yes. Love it. Love it. Checking your blind spots. Love it. Nice. Use the ball of that foot. Squeeze really soft. It should be a beautiful slowdown. Go all the way up. You should see the rear of the tires on the ground. Nice. Squeeze that brake. Roll up more. Perfect. In terms of your learning, there's no rush.
Yeah.
There's no rush. When do you think you want to take your road test? When do you think you're ready? There's no pressure. In my opinion, I want us to work on more turns, more parking, getting on and off the expressway. But the key thing is you have to feel safe. And I'm here for you. Obviously, I don't work free, but you know I'm going to prepare you. You know I'm going to get you out here. I like to see us, when we have a full tank of gas, get you on the expressway for an hour, right? Let you drive. You know, you're going to say, it's pretty good, but I'm going too fast or I'm going too slow. We need to go to a downtown. You need to drive from here to downtown and back. You need to go to small little areas and work on those turns. Keep going. Yeah, let's think about it. No big deal right now. Because we're investing in you. You're the future. And I want you to do well. Keep driving. You see the speed. You check it. You get it up. Just take your time. Love it. Get your car centered. You need to be more to the left. You should be in between the solid yellow and the broken white. And usually after about 5 or 6 minutes, you do that. Nice. Everything's wonderful. Keep it up. Go straight, scan the intersection, maintain good speed. Everything is good, fuel is good, scan the area, don't panic. You'll see something different every time you drive. It's always different. I want you to get over one lane to the right, please. Yes, love that blind spot check. It's real nice. Good job. What color's the light?
Red.
Good. Beautiful. You will pass your road test. We want to keep you consistent, keep you growing, keep you elevating. I always am honest with you. I think you're doing a good job. and we just want to keep getting you out here. I would love to try to see you drive in the morning in rush hour. That's where I need to see you so you know you can do it, right? We're driving in the evening. Everyone's home, chilled, not a lot of traffic. I want to get you out, during some traffic. You're doing great. Keep driving. If a deer comes out, we don't swerve. We kind of slow down as much as possible. We never veer to the left or to the right. There's deer out all the time. At the light, you'll make a right. I can tell you're serious about learning how to drive, and I really do appreciate that. And I pour positivity into you, and I want you to really do well. At the light, check your traffic, then make a right turn. Nice. Go all the way up, check your traffic to your left. Pause and look. That's going to be really important on your road test. Good. First lane. Don't overturn it. Turn right into first lane. Show me a nice good turn. Better. Now turn out. Good. And just gradually pick up. You see the speed. You see we just gradually pick up. When you see your car up to about 45, you just lift your foot and just maintain pressure. Because you will be driving back to college. It will happen. So, when do you go back?
The beginning of August. I'm not really sure the date.
Okay. We got to keep preparing to get to that date. Keep looking ahead. Don't look down at the line. Look ahead. Beautiful. You want to go up and yield, check traffic, and then you're going to go in and around to the right. Let's go in slow. Beautiful. Good. Follow the truck, turn slow, accelerate out slow. Good. Start accelerating up. Good. I like how you're checking. You're getting better. It's a good job. This time in the evening, everyone's chilling, thinking about dinner, gotta get home, so this is when you really gotta kind of stay alert for deer, for airplanes, for people popping. You gotta be that defensive driver, and that's what I want to just give you that ability. You can conquer all things. Nice. I like your lane position. You're doing great. Keep it up. At the traffic light, you're going to make a right turn to get on the expressway. Maintain speed. Take your time. Try not to hook the right or left. Just look ahead at that truck. Look ahead at the road. Great job. How old is your sister?
29.
29?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She just got her license like 4 years ago.
Oh, okay. It's all good.
We're all
Love it.
like late bloomers.
Love it. Okay, it's all good. I'm here. God is good. You're going to make a right turn up here, and you have to stop and check traffic. So you want to get us over to the right. Nice job. You might have to go up past this truck to see, but you have to stop and look. If it's clear, you can make your turn. Go get it. Turn slow. Gradually pick up. Don't hammer it. Pick us up. You know you got to come out about 60. You can't be doing no 40 or 30 or 10. Love it. Really nice. Good. Stay smooth. Try not to jerk it. Yes. That's it. Keep eating. Yes, keep eating. Stay on the gas, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Use that blinker. Kill your blinker. Let's get off. Do the same thing again. Get off at this exit. Repetition. Over and over and over. Good timing. Your blinker timing is getting better. You're smoother. Nice. At the light, you'll make a right. Keep it up. Good. Your approach speed is better. Stay to the right. Nice. Good job. Your speed's just right. You're smoother. You shouldn't feel like you're losing control. Squeeze the brake, slow us down. You're a little too fast on your approach. Love it. It's going slow. Good. Stay all the way to the right. Go up to the light. Stop, check traffic. When clear, you're going to make a right turn. Blink, blink. Always look. People run lights. Good. Go in slow. Make that turn. Good. First lane. Accelerate through. Stay in that first lane. Turn out slow. I know exactly what we need to work on. You're going to do the whole thing all over again. Go straight.
Is this 42?
It is 55.
Okay.
But you can just pick us up to about 50, right? You know me, I let you drive. I let you eat. So you keep driving. Because that'll help you understand how lights change. You don't seem to be as nervous as you were at lights.
I just drove yesterday. So
Okay, I want to hear this. Get your speed up to 55. You're going to tell me this journey. I want to hear that.
Oh, I drove to work.
Okay.
So, yeah, with my dad.
How was it?
It wasn't as bad. He only grabbed the wheel once because my turn was way too wide. But I didn't see, like, the entrance. There's, like, a little...
You missed the entrance.
I almost missed the entrance, but I didn't see that there was, like, a little... what is it called?
Median or island or...
Yeah, some type of island in the middle.
Yep.
But it was a car coming, so I was trying to, like, hurry up and turn so I didn't get in their way.
Okay.
Because they were coming fast, so I was like, oh, let me hurry up and get out the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the light, make a right. And then I want to ask you some more questions. I'm like your uncle, right?
Yeah,
your dad's your
Myles.
dad. After you stop, make a right. When I was driving with my dad, I was really nervous. I would drive very slow. I was just nervous. My mom, I would drive really, really fast. Pause, check your traffic.